Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to make pie from scratch. First, we'll gather our simple ingredients and prepare our workspace for a smooth baking experience. We'll then dive into creating a wonderfully flaky crust, followed by a delicious fruit filling. Finally, I'll guide you through assembling and baking your homemade masterpiece to golden perfection. Let's get started on this easy and rewarding baking journey. Creating a flaky pie crust is simpler than you think. Start by combining 2 1/2 cups of all-purpose flour with a pinch of salt. Next, cut in 1 cup of very cold, unsalted butter until the mixture resembles coarse crumbs. Gradually add about 1/2 cup of ice water, mixing until a dough forms. Remember to chill your dough for at least 30 minutes. This step is crucial for a tender crust. Now for the delicious filling. Select about 6 cups of your favorite fresh fruit, such as sliced apples or mixed berries. In a large bowl, gently combine the fruit with 3/4 cup of granulated sugar and 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. Stir in 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon and a small pinch of nutmeg for warmth. A tablespoon of fresh lemon juice will brighten all those wonderful flavors. It's time to bring your pie together. Roll out 1/2 of your chilled dough and carefully place it into a 9-inch pie plate. Pour in your prepared fruit filling, spreading it evenly. Roll out the second dough half and place it over the filling, then crimp the edges to seal. Bake your pie at 425 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 minutes, then reduce the temperature to 375 degrees and continue baking for about 45 minutes, until golden.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.